Morning. It's so misty outside. It's like fog, like you can't even see the building. So the fireworks aren't gonna be super clear. We are settled in to Hideaway RV Resort. Just a little chilly today. It's been really windy. Had, I believe, like a thunderstorm last night. We got us up to 50 miles an hour. It was crazy, but the Montana stood pretty solid. So.
Say hey, Neen. Hey. This is my sister, Deneen. Hey. You excited to try out Doughboys?
Yeah. I'm highly recommended on Facebook.
Let's do this.
I was trying to see how much sugar is in here.
Oh,
like, man, I bet it's a lot.
43 grams of sugar. Why'd you tell me that?
And when you have pizza, you just have to have some kind of soda. It just feels right.
Oh, yeah.
So what'd y'all think?
It's good.
Good?
It's good stuff.
Would you come again?
Maybe.
Maybe. I think next time we just gotta order a pizza rather than getting like the ready slices because they didn't taste as fresh, but it seemed like it would have been good if it was like fresh out the oven. Definitely quiet here today. Usually this place is packed. Let me smell it. It smells good. What's up, guys? It is the end of our last night here in Myrtle Beach. We'll be back probably in a month or so. This is the part that I enjoy the most about camping, is just getting together with family or friends or strangers that you meet at campground sometimes and just chilling, having a fire, just talk about life. Hi, everybody. Thing just happened. So I'm sorry, I'm gonna tell the story to both of you, the camera and my wife and dog. So we've been looking for this GoPro for like hours today. This is so crazy. Here it is. I freaked out. I didn't care about the camera. I just wanted the footage that we've been shooting. But I've dropped it outside next to my truck in the overflow parking lot. We were about 25-30 minutes away from the campground because we left this morning. And I called, I was like, hey, I'm gonna come back. I won't stop thinking about this until I go check for myself if my GoPro could be in the grass. I'm winded, sorry. I'm just like, this is crazy. So I go inside the office to check back in because I don't have a car pass. And I said, hey, I'm gonna go check in the grass. She's like, no problem. So I was like, you got a restroom? She's like, yeah, right over there. So I go to the restroom, come back out. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna go drive back there and check for it. And she's like, wait, we just got a call. Somebody walking their dog found a GoPro on the ground. It looks like someone might have ran it over though. She's like, give me 1 minute. The guy's gonna pull up and bring it to the office. I'm like, no freaking way. Like, here it is. It's so crazy. Like, we almost drove back to Ohio and didn't check, but I was like, something's telling me it has to be in the grass. I was just telling you that. So anyways, if you have a gut feeling, go with your gut. Always go with your gut, because I was just, it's like I had it in my head, a visualization of it literally sitting in grass. I meant to get footage leaving the site of the RV, and it just, all the stress of looking for the GoPro and everything, couldn't get it. Mocha, aka Dookie. Dookie, hi. So anyways, y'all be safe, have a great day, and stay tuned for the next video. And if you don't mind, please subscribe. Do it for Dookie. Justin Durnell, shout out to Justin. He texted me yesterday after subscribing to the channel, and he said, do it for Dookie. So that's gonna be our new hashtag. But anyways, stay safe, y'all. Peace. Well, this is our RV for the night. Embassy Suites, Charleston, West Virginia. We didn't make it home. We had to stop in Charleston, West Virginia. The weather was crazy. The roads in the mountains. It's just not worth driving out there. So we're just gonna take a pit stop and just crash here for the night. Hopefully tomorrow will be clear. But that's one thing with traveling. Just never know what to expect. You just have to be prepared for the unexpected. So we got Mocha staying here with us tonight. We'll be chilling. But yeah, it was pretty crazy. Saw a few wrecks that didn't look good. So hopefully everyone's safe out there. Just checked out, 11 a.m. Hopefully the roads are clear on the highway. I know they're definitely not in the city. Got my coffee. I'm gonna pull up the truck, bring the girls in. We're gonna hit the road. About 3 hours away. Oh boy. Well guys, we made it. We are back in Columbus. Thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed the content, please feel free to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell, so that way when we post our next one, you'll get a notification. See you guys.
Do it for Dookie.
Do it for Dookie. Hi Dookie. Say hi.